Well, hey, this is Chase Swift, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a campaign in your TrafficWave autoresponder. And I have a really secret little bit of code that will put images into your letters automatically, and if ever need be, you can change, like your picture of yourself, you can change that in a heartbeat and not have to change 50 letters or however many emails or letters you have in your campaign. So this will be a little bit quicker for an advanced user. So look for in the description of this video if you're more of a beginner, and I'll go a little slower for you. This is more for an advanced person. So first thing I'm going to do is go to my campaign manager because I need to create a campaign. And this is just going to be a test, okay, or just a demonstration. So Super Demo 1 is the name of my campaign, and I'm following the lowercase letters, lowercase, and numbers only. So no spaces, nothing like that. Click on Verify My Nickname, and as a super user, you know that some people can email you at that address. Now, we like people subscribing, but that is why that is there. They can email you to get on your list with that email, okay? We'll just move on to step 2. And I'm going to go ahead and put in my name. As you would know, an advanced user would know, you can put any name, maybe a business name or whatever, you can put in there. And then the next thing you would know, you would have to put in an email address. This would be your return address. Now the campaign title, and you can always click on these little question marks if you have any questions. But what is this campaign? What is this information? What is this? These series of letters going to help a person with, okay? So mine is my Super Demo 1 campaign. Now you would put something that more relates to what you're going to talk about, what you're going to share information-wise through your autoresponder. Okay, I'm going to leave company name, phone number blank, but you can obviously use those. And I'm going to come down to custom text token, because I want to put my image or a image into the autoresponder letters quickly and easily and automatically, and I'll be able to update it as well at any time. So tons of people have images on Facebook, but you know what I'm going to do just for fun? Let's look at a Google image and let's see what what will come to mind. How about just the TrafficWave logo? Okay, let's just look for the TrafficWave logo. Just as a demonstration, I would go to your Facebook or something like that and get a good picture of yourself. But we're just going to do a quick search for the TrafficWave logo, hopefully sometime today, on the Google Images search. I know it's working on it. There we go. So we have a lot of cool little images, and let's take a quick look at some of these. Actually, this is a nice one. It's got the big blue, nice background, and what I'm going to do is click on View the Image. Now, please don't just randomly go to Google Images and think that you can just automatically use any image. Please be respectful of copyrights and all that. I'm going to click on View Image so I can view the image on this website. And I will get the link for it in just a heartbeat of it, if it would work. There it goes. Okay, good. So if you'll notice, right up here is a website to this image. And this is a nice image that is on this website. And this is just a demonstration. I'm not going to be using this, so it's not going to be a copyright issue, stuff like that. But I do have the link. I will choose right-click and choose copy to copy the link. Most advanced users know about right-clicking, and that's what I've done. And I also right-click in the box for text 1, which is a customized text token. Simply paste that in. Now I need to do a special trick for this to work. The HTTP, the colon, the slash have to be removed. Okay? So right before the www, just highlight that or whatever you need to do, delete it. Okay? This is going to be an image to this image of the TrafficWave banner logo, okay? And it's going to appear in my letters, but it could be your image on Facebook or whatever. Just load the image, and if you always have to, you can right-click and just copy the image URL of any image primarily that you can use on the internet, and you can get the URL, the web address for it. Most advanced users would know that, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and click to move to step 3. Now in this case, you have to put in your postal address, and I just checked the box here, and obviously my information fills in automatically, which is so cool. And I will click on move to step 4, and an advanced user knows that the most important thing to capture is the name as a single field, which is fine, and their email address is always captured. We would always do that. So I'll just leave that as the standard and go on to step 5. Step 5, as an advanced user would know, is just the normal policy of the confirmation letter, and you're not going to put any links or any other miscellaneous information in the box for the opt-in. Okay, I'll go ahead and click finish. So it's very simple. Now you'll be taken to the letters tab. Okay, that was just a real quick down and dirty to create a campaign. Now the purpose of your autoresponder is to create letters, so I will create a new one on the left side. I'm going to speed through this because an advanced user would want that. Okay, I'm going to start with a blank letter, and I'm just going to add a token of the first name and just say welcome to Super Demo 1. Okay, that's it. Now I'll just copy that just for the speed of that and paste it down here. I just used copy and paste. Okay, and let's just come down. And I would put sincerely. You would obviously put a lot more content into your letter. Okay, obviously. So I have some text, and if you scroll down, if you scroll down, you'll see that now it's a little tiny. So I would like to change the size from smaller text to larger text, like 16. Make it readable, make it easier. Okay, just make it easy. That's fine. Now I want to put in an image and actually a photo. So I'm going to just type, this is a trick, okay? Pay attention, P-H-O-T-O. That's where the photo is going to go. That's where I want it. But I certainly can't type photo and expect a photo to magically appear just because I type photo. No, no, no. You're going to put in the image. So I have a super trick, and I have some special code. It's in the, there's a link in the description of this video, and it's going to take you to this Google Drive, okay, where I have the secret TrafficWave letter code, okay? What you want to copy is right there, okay? So make sure you can copy that, and you can right-click if you want. Actually, it may not work as well, and you may just want to use Control-C, okay, and copy that. And then you're going to refer to the video, that's what I'm doing right now, on how to implement this code, okay? Very secret and powerful to place images in your letters, okay? So I'm going to go back to the TrafficWave tab, and I'm going to look for a photo in this code. And I'm going to turn on the source code because we got to do some magic here. So I'm going to click on source, and right where it says photo, I'm going to highlight that. And you can right-click and paste here. You're going to put in that code, okay? So that's all you need to do. The only difference is if you did not put the image URL in signature text 1, you need to change this to signature text 2 or 3, whatever you did, okay? That's all you have to do. It'll work every time. Click source, and you'll see a blank appear, especially on a Mac. It just doesn't show. Actually, there is the image. It showed. But it's blank. The image is inserted when you send the letter, okay? So clearly, and you can always go to maximize to see more information and edit and type and copy and paste, do all your stuff, and you got a wonderful menu of stuff to really make it super jazzy, awesome, okay? Once you're done, you can click on maximize, and you must save this letter. Now notice all I have is a first name, So it'll put in their first name. Welcome to Super Demo 1, or your information. It'll put that TrafficWave image, okay, and it's going to be sized to 200 pixels across. Okay, 200 is a really nice size. Okay, so it will shrink an image that's 523 pixels wide. It'll shrink it to 200, so it's going to appear smaller. Okay, it's just a nice size. I'm doing that intentionally to show you how this works. Click at the bottom or up at the top. There's a save button in two places. Save this letter. Okay. A super user would know you have to put a day for when it's sent, and instantly being sent out would mean day 0. So I'll just click submit, delay changes. And now that letter is in the automated follow-up. It's ready to go. And this will work, and I'm going to show you and test it right now. So what we're going to do, a super user would know you get an instant hosted capture page, meaning TrafficWave gives it to you. Okay, so you can just click on this link. It's exactly for the demo or for the campaign I created. Okay, click on that little magnifying glass, super fast. And what I'm going to do is put in my name, okay, full name actually. And the super awesome power of TrafficWave, it'll just put my first name, even though I typed first and last. TrafficWave is so smart. Now I'm going to put in my email address. Okay. Argentine and Gmail. I always test things with the Gmail. It works really good. Okay. Got my name, full name, email. Now this is a horribly, simple. I didn't want to say ugly, but it's just simple. Okay. This is just for testing. You're not going to put a capture page like this, probably. Just for testing. So I'll click submit. And the power of TrafficWave is going to confirm, you want to confirm your user, your prospect is going to confirm. You would know this because double opt-in means they really, really want it. Okay? So pretty awesome that you can just go and check your Gmail or the email address that you used for that test. Okay? And there you would know that there is a confirmation email, okay, right there. This is the first step to confirm, and it says Super Demo 1 because that's the name of the campaign, okay? So think about your campaign name. Make it intriguing and respectful of what information your prospect would be looking for. Click on the confirmation link, and you'll have this nice TrafficWave link in your confirmation. So you just click on that, boom. TrafficWave has confirmed that, and your email address is now confirmed. You're now double opt-in. That means you've granted permission to receive email from the person you subscribed using TrafficWave. Just awesome. Just the best. So we don't need this confirmation anymore. I'm going to delete it. And all we have to do is wait just for a moment for the new letter to appear. Okay, there it is. I just had to wait a few minutes, so I did pause the video so I could get this email to show. Now, just give TrafficWave a little time if you're testing a campaign. But you'll notice, look at that. Now, don't get confused. It's from me. It's my campaign, of course. But it also, remember, I put first and last name. It just put in the first name there because I told it to. And TrafficWave can separate the first and last name and just put the first name in the subject line, which is fantastic. There it is. Welcome to Super Demo 1, the email that I set up. Okay, now look at that. Is that not just awesome? I mean, really, that is awesome. Okay, hang on. I gotta do a cancellation of there. So there we go. That is the demonstration of the image that's placed into the campaign letter. And when I go back to here, remember it was 523 pixels wide, but in the actual email it was shrunk to 200 pixels wide. Now if you have some other need and you want to increase the size, just make sure you change the pixel dimension there in this code that I provide to you. Okay, so again, what we've done is we've set up a letter. We use the first name code and a comma and then a space and a line, and you can type all the information. We loaded an image, and you could do this for more than one. Okay, you could have images down below if there's banners or whatever, things that you want to put in your letters. And the coolest thing is, once you have that in your setup, and you just go under your profile to change it. Go back to your campaign profile. If you need to change the letter, the actual image that's being sent out, just change it in signature tokens. Scroll down here. Of course, any of this information can be changed out. Okay. Now, let me just show you on how Facebook would work. If you want to put your image on from Facebook, okay, it's really cool to have your own image. Okay, so you would just probably find one of your images, like your profile image. Click on that. It's a little too small here, so click here once. Okay, get the nice larger image. Okay, and then right click on it, as I've done, and then copy the image URL. Okay, and then you can always check it by doing a copy, paste, and go. When you after you copy it, paste and go. If you've done it right, that's your image. Okay, and then if I want to put that image in here, I would just replace this other image, delete it, paste in the new image, and now my letter has a new updated image. Now I still have to remember to remove the HTTP, the colon, and the // That'll work. Okay, and then just make sure when you go down to update signature tokens, and now the next subscriber will have this image in the bottom of the letter instead of that one. I just wanted to show you a demonstration that it takes a big image and squeezes it down to 200 pixels wide. So there you go. That's how to set up a campaign, and it's how to set up a image that is in your letters automatically. And watch this. Just go to review and edit letters. If you want to duplicate it, okay, duplicate that code. Don't try to reload my code every time. Okay, that would be kind of crazy. Just go back here and under the on this magnifying glass, click on copy, and it'll copy all the code, all the information perfectly. Just click copy. Now I like leaving the word copy in the subject line, so it reminds me there's a copy. So I'll click copy, and now that letter is duplicated right down here. And then I could go here and edit, and I'm off to the races. And my image will appear at the bottom automatically. Okay, as I come down. Actually, I can just go to maximize. That's my image, so I would just change the text. And that would update, and I could change that and then save it after you're done. Now I got somebody ringing me. I got to go. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next video. Look for a link to a video that will show a user that's more a beginner. Look for the link in the description of this video. This is Chase Swift. Have a great day.